Starting this program was really a couple different focuses. One, to establish the aviation program here at the University of Texas at El Paso. UTEP obviously has significant expertise across all the engineering disciplines, and kind of bringing all them together to attack some of the most difficult problems in unmanned aviation today. So our other focus was to involve the students in developing an unmanned traffic management system for our community. Because we had this resident brilliance, not only from the student cadre, but also the faculty, it was very easy to kind of accelerate a lot of these programs and get to the point of where we are right now, which are actually, the level of performance of some of our systems rivals some of the major defense companies in the U.S. So it's kind of unique. Right now we have 55 students in the program, and it's not specifically mechanical engineering. We have students that go across electrical engineering, computer science, and systems engineering. So it is truly an interdisciplinary research, and on all the teams there are students from each of those kind of areas of expertise, because then when they leave the university and they go out to industry, that's how they're going to be working. And they got to be able to work very well in that interdisciplinary team, and so that has been our focus from the beginning. So because we have included all of those engineering disciplines and really have been pulling the best and the brightest students we have here at UTEP, that's been a major reason why we've been able to accelerate. The other part of that kind of expansion of that growth is to create businesses and opportunities for our students to be able to stay here and ensure that we retain the human capital we have in this great area that we all live, instead of them leaving to some of the other major cities.